In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WordPress PHP errors step by step. If you've ever seen a critical error message, a blank white screen, or a PHP warning at the top of your site, don't worry. These issues are very common in WordPress, and in most cases, they're completely fixable. I'll walk you through how to identify the exact cause of the error, how to fix plugin or theme conflicts, and how to solve memory limit problems quickly and safely. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you out, be sure to like and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials. All right, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is identify what's actually causing the PHP error. WordPress has a built-in debugging system that allows you to log errors without displaying them to your visitors. This is important because you don't want users seeing technical error messages on your live website. To enable debugging, you need access to your website files. You can do this through your hosting file manager or via FTP. Once you're inside your WordPress root directory, locate the wp-config.php file. Open that file and scroll down until you find the line that says, "That's all, stop editing, happy blogging." Just above that line, add the following code. Define wp-debug true, define wp-debug_log true, and define wp-debug_display false. This configuration turns on debugging, saves all errors to a log file, and prevents them from being shown publicly on your site. After saving the file, WordPress will start logging errors inside the wp-content folder in a file called debug.log. Open that file and look at the most recent entries. In many cases, the log will clearly mention a specific plugin or theme file that's causing the issue. That brings us to the second common cause of WordPress PHP errors, plugin or theme conflicts. If the debug log points to a specific plugin, log into your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, and deactivate that plugin. Then refresh your website to see if the error is gone. If you don't have dashboard access because the error locked you out, you can deactivate the plugin manually. Go to the wp-content folder, open the plugins directory, and rename the folder of the suspected plugin. This will automatically deactivate it. If the problem is related to your theme, go to Appearance and then Themes in your dashboard and switch to a default WordPress theme like 2026. If you can't access the dashboard, go to wp-content, then Themes, and rename your active theme folder to force WordPress to revert to a default theme. Most PHP errors are caused by outdated plugins, incompatible updates, or themes with broken code, so isolating the conflict usually resolves the issue quickly. Now let's talk about another very common error, memory limit exhausted. This happens when a script requires more PHP memory than your server has allocated. You might see an error mentioning allowed memory size exhausted. To fix this, open your wp-config file again. Just above the happy blogging line, add this line of code. Define wp memory limit 256 M. This increases the memory limit to 256 megabytes, which is sufficient for most WordPress sites. Save the file and refresh your site to see if the issue is resolved. If the error persists, you may need to increase the memory limit through your hosting control panel or contact your hosting provider. So to quickly recap, first, enable WordPress debugging to identify the exact error. Second, check for plugin or theme conflicts and deactivate or replace the problematic file. Third, increase your PHP memory limit if you're dealing with memory exhaustion issues. Following these three steps will solve the vast majority of WordPress PHP errors. Once you fix the issue, you can turn off debugging by setting wp-debug back to false in your wp-config file. This keeps your site clean and optimized. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix WordPress PHP errors the right way. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy WordPress guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.